Non-contact voltage detectors. Introduction. What are non-contact voltage detectors? How do non-contact voltage detectors work? Why are non-contact voltage detectors important? Types of non-contact voltage detectors. Choosing the right non-contact voltage detector. Using non-contact voltage detectors safely. Common applications. Advantages of non-contact voltage detectors. Limitations of non-contact voltage detectors. Maintenance and calibration. Popular brands and models. Case studies. Real-life examples. Future trends in non-contact voltage detection. Conclusion. And FAQs. Introduction. In our technologically driven world, electricity is an indispensable part of our daily lives. Whether in our homes, offices, or factories, we rely on electrical systems. However, dealing with electricity poses inherent risks, making safety a paramount concern. Non-contact voltage detectors have emerged as invaluable tools to enhance electrical safety. This article delves into the world of non-contact voltage detectors, exploring what they are, how they work, their significance, and more. What are non-contact voltage detectors? Non-contact voltage detectors, often referred to as voltage testers or voltage pens, are handheld devices used to identify the presence of an alternating current (AC) voltage in electrical circuits without physical contact. They are designed to keep users safe by providing a quick and reliable method of voltage detection. How do non-contact voltage detectors work? These devices operate based on electromagnetic field detection. When voltage is present in a live conductor, it generates an electric field around it. Non-contact voltage detectors can sense this field when brought close to the conductor. They often emit an audible or visual alert, such as a beep or flashing light, indicating the presence of voltage. Why are non-contact voltage detectors important? Non-contact voltage detectors play a critical role in ensuring electrical safety. By quickly identifying live wires, they help prevent accidental contact with energized circuits, reducing the risk of electric shock and potential injury. They are indispensable tools for electricians, maintenance personnel, and even homeowners. Types of non-contact voltage detectors. There are various types of non-contact voltage detectors available, including pen-style detectors, clamp meters with voltage detection capabilities, and more advanced models with additional features like adjustable sensitivity and audible voltage indication. Choosing the right non-contact voltage detector. Selecting the appropriate detector depends on the specific needs and requirements of the user. Factors such as the type of work, voltage range, and additional functionalities must be considered when choosing the right detector. Using non-contact voltage detectors safely. While these devices enhance safety, users must follow proper safety procedures. This includes confirming the functionality of the detector before each use, understanding its limitations, and being aware of false positives. Common applications. Non-contact voltage detectors are used in a wide range of applications, from residential electrical work and commercial installations to industrial maintenance and troubleshooting. They are versatile tools suitable for various environments. Advantages of non-contact voltage detectors. These detectors offer several advantages, including speed, convenience, and portability. Their non-invasive nature allows users to perform voltage checks without disrupting circuits. Limitations of non-contact voltage detectors. Despite their usefulness, non-contact voltage detectors have limitations, such as the inability to measure voltage levels precisely. They can only detect the presence of voltage, not its magnitude or frequency. Maintenance and calibration. Regular maintenance and calibration are essential to ensure the accuracy and reliability of non-contact voltage detectors. Manufacturers often provide guidelines on maintenance procedures. Popular brands and models. Several reputable brands manufacture non-contact voltage detectors. We'll explore some of the popular models and their unique features in this section. Case studies. Real-life examples. To illustrate the practical application of non-contact voltage detectors, we'll discuss real-life case studies where these devices played a crucial role in electrical safety. Future trends in non-contact voltage detection. The field of non-contact voltage detection is continuously evolving. This section will provide insights into emerging trends and innovations in this technology. Conclusion. Non-contact voltage detectors are essential tools that enhance electrical safety by quickly identifying live circuits without physical contact. Their ease of use and reliability make them indispensable for professionals and homeowners alike. With continuous advancements in technology, the future promises even more effective and versatile devices. FAQs. 1. Are non-contact voltage detectors safe to use? Yes. Non-contact voltage detectors are safe when used correctly and in accordance with safety guidelines. However, users should be aware of their limitations and potential false positives. 2. Can non-contact voltage detectors measure voltage levels accurately? No. These detectors can only indicate the presence of voltage, not its magnitude or frequency. 3. Do non-contact voltage detectors require calibration? Yes. Regular maintenance and calibration are necessary to ensure the accuracy of non-contact voltage detectors. 4. What are the common applications of non-contact voltage detectors? These detectors are used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings for tasks like electrical maintenance, troubleshooting, and installation. 5. How do I choose the right non-contact voltage detector for my needs? The choice depends on your specific requirements, including the type of work, voltage range, and additional features you may need. I am Hassan Chamara Weerakon. If you get some knowledge, subscribe my channel and like my videos, you are bringing great success.